Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be discussing about the basics of PPT, mainly like the icons that you find on PPT, especially on the slides and stuff, and I'll just be going over some basic concepts. Yeah, that's all. It's really early right now, so sorry for the lighting, and yeah, welcome back to my channel. Hope you like the video. So what you want to do is just click on blank presentation. I'm not actually going to start anything big in this video. We're just going to go through some very basic things. First of all, let's start with how to add new slides. These are your slides. Basically, all your slides will come onto this list right here, and they'll all show in order of which one comes first. So as you can see, we have one slide popped open for us already, which is the title slide right here. But we don't really need this slide right now, so we'll just ignore it for now. I'll show you how to delete slides in a moment. To add a new slide, we just go over here to this button right here where my mouse is. It's circled in red at the moment. And click on New Slide. So this pops up this little window of slides that you can choose from. You're just going to go ahead and click on Title and Content for now, and you get this slide right here, right? You can see that you have that PPT and a lot of the Microsoft apps, right, are very customizable and easy to use in the sense that it gives you a lot of instruction while use. So like, for example, over here it says click to add title. So you know that over here you're going to probably add the title, right? And over here you're going to probably add your body or your text. Now, over here you also see a lot of like icons. My mouse is also hovering over it. Let's just go ahead and click on the first one, insert table. So this icon will help you to insert a table onto your slide. So when you click on the icon, then you'd probably get a window like this, right? And you can choose a number of columns and a number of rows you'd like. Let's say 5 columns and 10 rows for now. And you'd probably get something like this, right? And you can edit this, and like whenever you select something on your slide, like an element on your slide, for example, like this title box or this table, right? You'd get these red tabs over here. They're not usually red. For me, they're red. For you, it might be a different color depending on the theme of your PowerPoint. But they're usually highlighted in a different color, and they're usually at the end of the tabs. For each element on your slide, it'll probably be different. So, for example, for this text box right here, you'd get something like shape format. So honestly, it depends on what you've selected. We're just going to go ahead and select the table right here. And as you can see, you have table design and layout. Let's click on table design, and you can see that you can actually change the color of your table. You can change the border. So let's say, for example, I want orange border over here. So I'll just draw this in. You click on draw table, and you just click it in, and you just click on the lines you want to color differently, and you can just change everything just to mix and match. In layout, you know how on on Excel, you get this option where you can merge cells. You can stick 2 cells together, so by clicking merge cells. So you have that here too. You can merge 2 cells like so, like that. You can, and it doesn't have to be row specific. You can merge all these cells together if you want, and just create this humongous box in the middle of the screen. Like that, and you get like just one big humongous box. Now that's just the table icon. Now you have more icons. You can always create this chart. So like in a chart, I really like this feature especially because I don't know, you just have so many charts to choose from, and it's just so helpful, and it creates this little Excel for you as well, for you to add in your chart things like your chart data, which I really like. So you're just going to go in and add your chart, and as you can see, the Excel obviously pops up by itself. It's very handy. I really like it. So we're just going to write in random data for now, since we don't really need anything, like any of like the specific data, So I'm just going to go in and write in random data. And as you can see, the chart seems to be changing while we are adding this in. See, and you get all this, right? And you get a chart that's completely customizable, and you can change anything you want about it. And similarly, you can use all of these. Now, this is another one of my favorite features. So this is called Insert a Smart Graphic. Usually the designer feature of PowerPoint does this for you, but I don't know, if you want to, take things into your own hands and, I don't know, do it yourself or something, then you can use this. So there are a lot of like different like customizable things you can do here. This is basically just used to represent information in a very aesthetic way. So you have all these different icons. You have processes, cycles, hierarchies, relations. So like anything that you want to put in a specific way. So this is really handy, I feel, for like kindergarten teachers and like middle school teachers, because you have all these like pyramids, so you can make like food pyramids, make matrices and relationships. Like this I remember from plussing and adding. One of my teachers used to love PowerPoint, and I remember using these to make like algorithms for computer science at school. But yeah, you have all these that you can use. We're just gonna go with let's say let's use a list for now, because I feel that's the most common out of all of them. So let's go with this one because it looks really nice. So these are pictures. So like this is what I meant when I said that I feel that all the Microsoft apps are very customizable and very easy to use. So like it's already telling you that, okay, over here you'd have like pictures, where the picture icons are, and over here you'd have text. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on a picture, and you can obviously use your own pictures or put in any of your own. I'm just gonna go ahead and put in this duck picture because I really like it. And you can always edit your text. Let's say duck. You have like these lists that you can make, and like let's say this one will write as cloud. I'm gonna upload this tiny cloud picture I have saved on my laptop. This one. There we go. And it just makes a tiny list for you, and you can add as many as you like by just clicking enter. So yeah. What are the other ones? Oh yeah, these are just, this is a 3D model. When you open it up, it'll let you search for the model itself on Microsoft, on the Microsoft search button here, and you can just like look for all these like 3D models that you want if you do want them. I feel like they're not very like used honestly nowadays, and this is just pictures that you can upload from your own laptop, and this is pictures that you can upload from the Microsoft database. So you can just search for the pictures that you want here. Okay, this is a video. So this is for like videos that are saved in your own laptop. Just click on this and we'll upload a video for you. And this is an icon. So similar to this one, it's an icon instead of a picture, but it does the same thing. So now that we have a basic idea of that, I'm going to teach you how to delete slides now. So there are many ways you can delete a slide. I'm just going to show you the main ones. So the easiest way and the shortest way is just clicking backspace on your keyboard. I think this is the equivalent to delete for Mac users, but I'm not very well versed with Mac, so you might have to search that one up. But yeah, just clicking backspace removes that slide for you, and yeah, that's it. Or you can obviously just always click the right hand button and just go on delete slide. It'll delete the slide for you. Now, the newest PowerPoint also has this feature where you can add sections. So if you add a section, right, and then you can categorize your slides into different sections. So let's say this one will write icon set 1. Got it. And then let's say we want another section. We can write this one as icon set 2. And then you can just obviously just move your slides around wherever you want it to be, right? And let's say in icon set 1, we want to have a slide and we will just write this icon title or something, anything you want, honestly. So now you know how to insert slides, you know how to delete slides, you know how to customize and add the basics onto slides like these from these icons here. Nobody really uses them nowadays because everyone's pretty well versed with PowerPoint, but if you do, I find them quite helpful because they're all in one place and it's just easier to use, So yeah. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Stay tuned for more videos.